A. A for alligator. Say with me. A for alligator. B. B for bear. Say with me. B for bear. C. C for cat. Say with me. C for cat. D. D for deer. Say with me. D for deer. E. E for elephant. Say with me. E for elephant. F. F for fox. Say with me. F for fox. G for giraffe. Say with me. G for giraffe. A for horse. Say with me. A for horse. I for iguana. Say with me. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. Say with me. J for jellyfish. K for koala. Say with me. K for koala. L for lion. Say with me. L for lion. M for mouse. Say with me. Mouse. N for nest. Say with me. N for nest. O for owl. Say with me. O for owl. P for panda. Say with me. P for panda. Q for quail. Say with me. Q for quail. R for rabbit. Say with me. R for rabbit. So cute. S for shape. Say with me. Sharp. D for toucan. Say with me. Toucan. U. U for umbrella. Say with me. Umbrella. V. V for vulture. Say with me. Vulture. W. W for wolf. Say with me. W for wolf. X. X for extra fish. Say with me. X for extra fish.
Where'd the lady go?
Y for yak. Say with me. Y for yak. G for zebra. Say with me. J for zebra. Thank you, babies. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.